The DoorDash Dasher app white screen issue has become increasingly common, especially affecting both iOS and Android users since 2024 updates. The white screen issue stems from five primary causes: cache corruption from accumulated temporary data, memory overflow when there's insufficient RAM, network connectivity problems during app initialization, conflicts between outdated app versions and server updates, and incompatibility with newer operating systems. For iOS users, start with the simplest solution. Force close the app by double tapping the home button, swiping up on the Dasher app, then reopening it from your home screen. If force closing doesn't work, clear the app cache by going to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Find the DoorDash Dasher app and select Offload App, then reinstall it from the App Store. Android users can resolve the issue by going to Settings, then Apps, then DoorDash Dasher. Select Storage and tap Clear Cache. If the problem persists, use Clear Data, though this will require you to log in again. Network connectivity issues are a common cause of white screens. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection. The Dasher app requires at least 3G speed to function properly during startup. These immediate solutions resolve the white screen issue in about 85% of cases. Start with force closing the app, then clear the cache using your device's settings, and ensure you have a stable network connection. These steps address the most common causes and will get you back to dashing quickly. When basic fixes don't resolve the white screen issue, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. For iOS users, network settings reset is often the most effective solution. Android users have several advanced options. First, enable developer options to increase background process limits, which helps prevent memory-related crashes. Additionally, updating Android System WebView is crucial. This component handles web content within apps, and outdated versions often cause white screen issues. The most reliable universal solution is complete app reinstallation. This method has a 95% success rate across all devices and platforms. Prevention is better than cure. Follow these strategies to minimize future white screen occurrences and maintain optimal app performance. Device hardware significantly impacts app stability. Older devices and those with limited RAM experience white screen issues 60% more frequently than newer models. Regular cache clearing is essential for heavy users. Accumulated temporary data can cause conflicts and memory issues, leading to white screen problems. These advanced troubleshooting methods and prevention strategies will significantly reduce white screen occurrences. Remember, network resets for iOS, developer options for Android, and regular maintenance for all devices.